Mushrooms, lightning, two words rarely uttered in the same breath, right? But what if I told you these two seemingly unrelated forces of nature are more connected than you might think? Imagine a dark, damp forest floor. Suddenly, a flash of lightning illuminates the sky, followed by a deafening roar. While we might run for cover, this electric storm is a source of life for many organisms, including mushrooms. Mushrooms thrive in damp, humid conditions, often appearing after a good rain. But did you know that lightning plays a role in creating these ideal growing conditions? That's right, the electric charge from lightning can actually stimulate mushroom growth. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating relationship and uncover the shocking truth about mushrooms and lightning. Lightning doesn't just create the perfect rainy environment for mushrooms, it can directly influence their growth. How? Through a process called nitrogen fixation. The air we breathe is full of nitrogen, but plants and fungi can't use it in its gaseous form. Lightning provides the energy needed to convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms in the soil. This process acts like a natural fertilizer, boosting mushroom growth. In some cases, a single lightning strike can cause a sudden and dramatic increase in mushroom growth in the surrounding area. This phenomenon is especially noticeable with certain species, like the chanterelle, a prized edible mushroom often found in areas prone to thunderstorms. So, next time you're caught in a summer storm, remember that beneath your feet a hidden world of fungi might be getting a powerful boost from the sky above. Mushrooms aren't just fascinating organisms, they're also a delicious and versatile food source. People worldwide incorporate mushrooms into their cuisine, creating unique and flavorful dishes. In Italy, porcini mushrooms are a delicacy, shaved over pasta or risotto for an earthy and rich flavor. In Japan, shiitake mushrooms are prized for their umami flavor and used in soups, stir-fries, and even brewed into a flavorful tea. From the humble button mushroom to the exotic truffle, there's a mushroom for every palate. But remember, not all mushrooms are safe to eat. While many are culinary delights, some can be deadly poisonous. Let's explore the vibrant world of mushroom colors and learn how to distinguish the delicious from the dangerous. Section 4, a rainbow of fungi colors and their secrets. Mushrooms come in a dazzling array of colors, from classic white button mushrooms to vibrant red and orange varieties. But these colors aren't just for show, they often hold clues about the mushroom's properties. For example, bright red mushrooms, like the fly agaric, are often a warning sign. These vibrant colors often signal that the mushroom is toxic and should be avoided. On the other hand, earthy brown mushrooms, like the porcini, are often edible and prized for their rich flavor. But don't be fooled. Color alone is not a reliable indicator of a mushroom's edibility. Some poisonous mushrooms can be deceptively beautiful, while some edible varieties might appear dull and unassuming. So how can we tell the delicious from the deadly? That's where our next section comes in. Section 5. Danger in the details. Identifying poisonous mushrooms. Venturing into the world of wild mushrooms can be exciting, but it's crucial to remember never eat a mushroom unless you are 100% certain of its identification. Identifying poisonous mushrooms requires careful observation and knowledge. Some key features to pay attention to include shape and size. Does the mushroom have a cap and stem? What's the shape of the cap? Is it smooth or does it have scales or warts? Gills. Do the gills under the cap run down the stem? Are they crowded or spaced apart? Color. As we learned, color can be a clue, but it's not foolproof. Pay attention to the color of the cap, gills, and stem. Location. Where is the mushroom growing? On wood, on the ground, near specific trees? If you're unsure about a mushroom's identification, it's always best to err on the side of caution and leave it be. Many field guides and online resources can help you learn more about mushroom identification in your area. Remember, respecting the power of mushrooms and prioritizing safety is key to enjoying the fascinating world of fungi. Section 6, the final fungi fact leaving you wanting more. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of mushrooms, from their shocking connection to lightning to their culinary uses and potential dangers. But there's still so much more to discover. Here's a final fungi fact to pique your curiosity. Did you know that the largest living organism on Earth is a mushroom? Yep, you heard that right. A massive honey mushroom colony in Oregon, known as the humongous fungus, spans over 2,000 acres, making it a true titan of the fungal world. So, the next time you encounter a mushroom, take a moment to appreciate its unique beauty and the vital role it plays in our ecosystem. You never know what other shocking secrets these fascinating fungi might hold.